come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Well, Navika, I'll reply to all your queries. The first and foremost, see, Prime Minister can go hug anybody, but the way he met and hugged the Amir of Qatar as if they were separated during the birth, and like a Hindi movie we see, they meet after several years, and he's hugging Allah, Wallah Habibi, Wallah Habibi. Okay, he broke the protocol, he went there. We are also Indian Muslims. He's also a Muslim. The Amir is also Muslim. He also prays 5 times. We also pray 5 times. He also keep fast. We also keep fast. Yeah, there's a difference. He is a rich person. But then we are also, माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यार वो दिल के हम अमीर है. तो Prime Minister must also hug the Indian Muslims as well. Here what he rich people are doing is, every day you and me have seen, इनको हमारी दाढ़ी टोपी से नफरत. Since they have come into power in 2014, they have started a war. They wage a war against the Muslims of the country. Prime Minister has become a peeping Tom. Now he wants to enter into each and every person's home and to see tum kya kha rahe, what they are eating. Habibi is eating everything. In Habibi's land, in his country, 5 times prayer, 5 times azan is given on the loudspeaker. But here in India, if you give azan on loudspeaker, these people go there and remove the loudspeaker. Here you are not allowed to wear hijab. Prime Minister, people don't allow Muslim women to wear hijab if they want to study. Here they are not allowed to eat as per their choice. Here everything they want to do against the Muslim. But when a rich Muslim comes from abroad, Prime Minister, why does the Prime Minister hate the Indian Muslim and this BJP hate the Muslims? His Muslims cabinet minister, his cabinet ministers, the BJP's cabinet ministers are now time and again coming before the nation saying, Masjid mein ghus ke marenge. Prime Minister keeps quiet. His people, they abuse, they use unparliamentary word against our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. FIRs are registered. Prime Minister does not utter a word.
I want to stop. I want to stop you right here. Please name who has made the statement of Masjid mein ghus kar marenge. Please name, show evidence. I'm sorry, I will not allow you to spread fake news. Tell me who in the BJP has made a statement.
I will show you the evidence right now.
Yes, please.
I will name the person.
Yes, name.
I will name the person. I will name the Maharashtra present minister. He made a statement, Nitesh Rane, that Musalmanों को मस्जिद में घुस के मारेंगे. Deny me that. If I am wrong, I will apologize before the entire nation. If Navika Kumar, if you are wrong, you have to apologize before the nation.
Okay.
He made this statement.
All right. My research team checking that statement. My research team checking that statement. But Pradeep Bhandari, they have a problem with the Prime Minister meeting the Emir of Qatar. They have no problem when they call Kumbh a Mrityu Kumbh or a Faltu Kumbh. How come there are different approaches to this great expression of secularism that they believe in so much, which is so much a part of the constitution?
Well, Navika ji, their brand of secularism is pure 100% appeasement, where they only characterize to their vote bank. Let me begin by exposing another fake news. Recall, Navika ji, when the CA agitation court was going on by certain individuals, what was Asaduddin Owaisi saying? Ki Musalmanों की citizenship CA से चले जाएगी. Now the CA has been implemented. Can Mr. Owaisi name one Muslim whose citizenship has been taken away? No, he will not name. Waris was asking the difference. I'll tell you what is the difference. The difference is, Waris, you individually are not supported by the Indian Muslims. You individually and your leader backed Yaqub Menon, a designated terrorist, and said that he should not be hanged. So that is the difference between you and the Indian Muslims. Your brand of secularism is that you will do appeasement. आप मुसलमानों को भय में रखोगे, डर में रखने का प्रयास करोगे, और साथ में you will abuse Sanatan. So that is your brand of secularism. Our brand is सबका साथ सबका विकास, where the Muslims or community has 28% growth in their income under Modi era compared to your era, where the Hindus can go to Mahakumbh without any fear of lathi like they used to have during the time of Samajwadi Party government. You are talking about Muslims. Let me tell you the reality. More UPSC students have entered from the Muslim community in our era than your era. Let me tell you the reality. Literacy rate in your era is 68%. In our era of the Muslim community, 78%. You have a real issue that how come the Hindus are united and Hindus are not getting divided in caste. This is why Mamata Banerjee will say bhai Mrityu Kumbh. Mamata's leader will say कि भागीरथी नदी के अंदर हिंदुओं को डाल लेंगे. Akhilesh Yadav will abuse Sanatan, not visit Ayodhya Prabhu Shri Ram's मंदिर. Rahul Gandhi will call कि मंदिर जो है वो नाचने गाने का इंसिडेंट है, because their entire prank, Namika ji, is they believe that the constitution of India does not belong to the Hindus. They treat Hindus as secondary citizens. This is why when the UPA was in power, they got the communal violence bill, where every riot they used to blame the Hindus as the aggressor. They have issues because everybody is getting empowered, whether it is Muslims or Hindus. I will just end with 10 seconds. Recall what happened during the time of abrogation of Article 370. They were writing quote tweets and writing letters to the Middle East. None individual from the Middle East or the army back then claimed that abrogation of Article 370 was anti-constitutional. This is their issue. भाई आपको डर यही है कि मुसलमान भी आज बढ़ रहा है, वो भय में नहीं रह रहा.
Who's spreading hate in the country?
You are spreading hate in the country.
Allow me, I have listened to you carefully.
Even Muslims are not voting for you, Aziz bhai. How much percentage of Muslim votes you got in Delhi?
Listen to me, sir, Bhandari. Pradeep, you must listen to me. At least have the courtesy to listen to what I'm saying.
आप लोग ने कहा था ना 15 करोड़ बता देंगे, 100 करोड़ को क्या होगा?
The recent data shows that hate is spread by the BJP in the country. Maximum hate speeches were given by the BJP people. And top of it, the top number one was Yogi Adityanath. Second number, Modi ji. Third number, Amit. It was reported that is there on the...
Which data? Is it your AIMM circular?
That is there everywhere. Don't challenge me, there are data there. I will show you data. Now you are cornered, so you won't allow me to make my point. You spoke about Yaqub Memon. Yaqub Memon letter was given to the president of the country. Who was the signatory to it?
For us, Abdul Hamid, the right of BJP MP Parliament for you. Mughlai Aurangzeb is your idol, and Yaqub Memon is your idol, sir.
But you have got choice.
Calm down, gentlemen. Calm down, gentlemen. Let me get in. Tehseen Poonawala. Tehseen Poonawala. My 1 minute, वारिस भाई, आपकी ट्रेन निकलती है, रुकने का नाम नहीं लेती है. रुक जाइए.